Welcome to the future of human sanitation. Today, more than 1 billion people worldwide do not have access to fresh water and sanitation. With the ongoing population explosion and the major threat to our finite water supply, waterborne sanitation is no longer always an option. How we dispose of human waste is a constant threat, and mankind needs a new approach to sanitation. In response to this need, and after years of scientific research, a South African-based company, Enviroloo, developed the Enviroloo, a non-flush, dry, on-site sanitation system. The Enviroloo is easy to install, maintain, is cost-effective, hygienic, odorless, uses no chemicals or power, and above all, is environmentally sound. In short, it's a simple, waterless system allowing mankind the health benefits and personal dignity of using proven alternative sanitation technology. The success of the Enviroloo has been such that the potential applications are ever growing, and more markets are recognizing the great potential of the Enviroloo. The Enviroloo is an innovation that addresses current and future sanitation needs. It is a dry, on-site sanitation system designed for the benefit of all communities, particularly in cases where water is scarce, where there is a threat of groundwater contamination, where sewerage infrastructure is lacking, or in any situation where the costs of infrastructure are prohibitive. In other words, it's a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution for the world's sanitation needs.
The Enviroloo is a product of the future. So for every country, for first world, for third world. The dry sanitation system can be adapted to any situation in the world.
Since the early 1990s, Enviroloos have been replacing antiquated systems in communities where waterborne sanitation systems cannot be used. The Enviroloo is a cost-effective system driven by radiant heat and wind. The Enviroloo is the ideal environmentally friendly system of choice. Enviroloo is an international application and is not only limited to impoverished communities. With minimal setup and low operational costs, the health benefits of the system allow for environmentally sound sanitation. So how exactly does the Enviroloo work? Using our custom-designed ceramic toilet bowl, the solid waste falls directly onto an inclined perforated drying plate. The urine passes through the plate to the tank below. By separating the liquids and solids, aerobic conditions are achieved and maintained by the evaporation process. The solid waste, aided by gravity, moves to the collection area, while being subjected to continuous ventilation from the airflow created by the forced aeration ventilation system. This encourages the formation of aerobic bacteria, which kills the disease-forming pathogens. Air trapped under the inspection cover is heated by the sun, and this hot air rises. Air within the black polyethylene vent pipe is also heated by the sun. Together with the rising air and the extraction unit, negative pressure is created within the tank. Fresh air is continuously drawn into the system via the ceramic toilet bowl and via the side inlet pipes. The air drawn in via the toilet bowl flows over the waste trapped on the drying plate. The airflow passing over the urine from the side inlet pipes causes it to evaporate from the unit via the vent pipe. The Enviroloo is a sealed unit. It does not allow leakage out of the tank, nor can stormwater penetrate and flood the unit. Sealed within the system, the correct aerobic environment is created for prolonged stabilization of the waste through the process of dehydration and evaporation. The negative pressure created within the container prevents the escape of odors through the toilet bowl or through the air inlet pipes. odours are vented to the atmosphere via the ventilation pipe. With adequate oxygen flows, the waste decomposes into a dry stabilised material, approximately 5% of its original volume. This stabilised waste is odourless and free of any health hazard. The Enviroloo system requires periodic inspections to check on the levels of waste and only requires little maintenance and servicing. The maintenance schedule depends largely on the volume of usage. While high usage units may need to be serviced and waste removed more often, lower usage units may only need attention every 2 years. The removal of waste is simple. The inspection cover at the rear of the unit is opened. The dry waste is raked into the supplied perforated drying bag. It is then suspended inside the unit under the base of the vent pipe until the next service occurs. While remaining suspended in the drying bag, any remaining pathogens are killed off. The final residue to be removed from the system is odourless and free of any health hazard. Every aspect of the Enviroloo has been designed for ease and simplicity, including its installation. The Enviroloo can be installed on site by simply following the assembly and installation manual. There are different models available depending on the usage and the physical requirements or parameters of the environment in which the Enviroloo is to be installed. The Enviroloo holds many international environmental awards. Its contribution to society is now being recognised as an effective alternative to waterborne sanitation. It is a long-term sustainable solution to the world's sanitation challenges. In short, the ideal system where waterborne sanitation is not feasible. The Enviroloo is ideal for installation in ecologically sensitive areas, high water table areas, housing projects, schools, clinics, national parks, holiday cottages, places where there are humanitarian needs, and remote and drought-prone areas. The population explosion on the planet has brought about new challenges. Challenges brought about by using purified water to treat sewage. Challenges around how to eradicate the end product of both human and animal waste, as well as the challenge of providing enough clean water for drinking purposes. The Enviroloo is a long-term and sustainable solution for the world's sanitation needs.